How to change face recognition on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone that supports Face ID and I want to change your face recognition, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. With your face recognition, your iPhone added another security layer to your phone instead of using password. Then you can just go ahead, confirm your face recognition, and then it's going to allow your phone to perform a certain function like it's going to unlock your iPhone. It can authorize a transaction based on your setup, and it can also allow you to download app from the App Store. So here, I'll walk you through how you can easily change your iPhone face recognition. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the page, then locate Face ID and passcode. Click on it, type in your iPhone passcode, and hang on. Then scroll down the page. First, if you turned on stolen device protection, you need to turn off stolen device protection. Otherwise, you will not be able to change your face recognition. So turn this off, confirm your Face ID, and then you need to start the security delay. Done. Then come back after 1 hour, reset Face ID. You can see, turn off stolen device protection to reset Face ID. Okay. Then once you've turned on stolen device protection, click on reset Face ID. This is going to reset your Face ID. And then once your Face ID is reset, you can then go ahead and then set up your new Face ID, and this is going to change the face recognition on your phone. However, if your iPhone stolen device protection is turned off, then here where you see reset Face ID, you cannot say set up Face ID. Just click on it and then follow the prompt on the screen, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to change face recognition on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.